channel. It makes it very linky. The boy rush now your bed now the year right now. You're gonna get him friend. You say soon come back. So right now guys, you remember the last time he pranked me? Well, my time now. I'm gonna come with a hot prank on him. I don't want to talk too long, then I can't know if him come out or the outside it or anything like that. So right now I'm going to pause the video and go peep through the window and look if him come. So guys, I will soon come back. Guys, it look like him come, so I'm going to eye the camera right now. I'm going to eye the camera, look like him come. God, I'm prank you, go epic. One minute. End of the year. No. You want me to sit too? No.
Who that you are talking? Who that you are talking?
My father.
Father you are talking to him really?
No, my favorite tattoo. Who this?
Who that they on the phone?
My father.
Who that they on the phone?
My father.
You think I joke me a joke? You smile on your face?
That is so terrible.
Let me see how weird that
Oh, you mean me can see her own?
Let me see how weird that talking, man.
You mean you want to see her own want me a tattoo?
A joke thing you depend. Think me a joke? You think me a joke?
Joke people.
So I not laugh. Let me see how weird that
What you want to see my phone for?
That's how you do it.
See how me do? My father me a tattoo.
So you are dating.
My
So
father
where
me a
you hide?
tattoo.
Where you hide? Where you hide?
What me a hide? You know always know my father me a tattoo.
Let me see you walk on.
For what? From say my father me a tattoo, my father me a tattoo.
So you wait, so what make you put the talk to your father? You have to wait till me can pay a ball before you.
There's something wrong with that? Something wrong with that?
So I may always work.
Something wrong with that?
Yeah, okay, angry I ever.
Come on, my face.
So you have to touch me for now.
Come on, my face.
Yeah, me never
Come on, my
touch you.
face.
You have push me for.
Push
You
ya?
have push me for.
No, I'm not for laugh. It's
You have
serious.
to laugh.
It's serious.
Let me see how we look on your phone. Say I do it.
See how me I do what?
Say I do it. Unfair gameplay twice, so that me I tell you, yeah?
What do you mean unfair gameplay twice?
Yeah, cheap on me.
My father.
Yeah, cheap on me.
So,
Yeah, cheap on me.
cheap on you?
Yeah, cheap on me.
What do you know to my face?
Nah, laughing at it. I do it. Let me see your phone.
What you want to see my phone for?
Let me see your phone. Let me see your phone.
Excuse. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out.
Pull it.
What me I pull it for?
Pull it, no, man.
I not pull it because I told you some father me I talk to already. You don't believe some father me I talk to.
You take this thing for Joe, though.
What kind of job I take it for?
You think for Joe. Joe, get this thing for.
I'm a father me I talk to. I don't tell you that already.
Like you know on your phone, no?
Do anything you want to do with it, you can mash it up if you do anything you want to do with it.
Pull the phone.
What me I pull the phone from? I tell you some father me I talk to, my father me I talk to. You always can go in on my phone. I hide none from you. So what all of this for?
Why code reach funny now?
Code always up on my phone.
I code reach funny.
You know what, brother? I know. Pack my things and go in my yard. You know, because I just can't bother with you no more.
Pack your things and go. Oh, so I say I didn't know.
Yeah, I can't bother with you no more.
Pack your things and
I'm
go.
fed up. I'm fed up.
What the fuck you do?
I'm fed up.
Yeah.
I got me yard.
I wish. Give me the hand, man. Give me them.
I'm a yard. Watch out, brother. I'm a yard. Me I go. Stop. Listen.
Right.
I'm tell you the honest truth that God love.
Right.
I'm tell you the truth that God love. Right now, I find somebody who can be more better than you. Yeah, I'm tell you say something small. So I just can't bother with you no more. So I just pack and call me yard.
You just say to me, say. You just say to me, say.
You hear what I said to you a while ago? You hear?
You drink?
What me say I drink? I tell you the honest truth. You want to know the truth, and you tell you the truth.
What you mean by about my things? What you mean by? Never did say that when it did yeah, when I go. Never did say that.
Well, me I tell you now.
By about man things.
Me I tell you now, find somebody who can do it better.
See, I cheap on me.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. Come up on my face now. Never, yeah. Never laugh. Never go on with me, I go.
Don't say lion asleep and fool on.
The lion, you're lucky. You're lucky. I'm tired of the relationship right now. Tired of it. Tired of it. I just feel like at the time now for us to tell the truth and go on, because a long time me I hide it. So right now, I just need to go on.
Alright. You see where I go left? You see?
What you mean you're going to see how me I left? You're going to see how me I left. I'm going to left and show you what you mean by it. How about this? Like you can't stop me.
So we just start up something like you want to come run from this kind of what you want to do. I don't understand. Just kind of puzzling, isn't it?
So what that mean? Look how much people start up things with them partner and them still run off. I better me I go for.
So you're one of them kind of person.
Yes, you never know.
No. See
You
if
never
I
know.
like that. Run choices a man like remember me for the man.
Something too small, too small, too small. Want something like hardcore, yeah, too small.
Yeah, you gotta get my upset going.
Excuse what I'm doing.
You know, see, I get real mad, you know.
See, I get
You know
mad.
that?
Get mad. You alone can get mad. Every time, you don't have no time for me. Well, I find somebody now will have time for me. In a this world, every time you're gone, your friend. Everything you're gonna get your friend them this. Your friend them more important more than me. So you know take your friend them, man. Go on with your friend them. I'm good. Find somebody who can fulfill my needs. Yeah. Everything. I soon come, I'm my friend. My friend, and when you hear from the show, they can hear say, are you a woman down there, so? You have woman there, you have woman there. Everywhere.
Me?
No, me. I'm tired of the relationship, so I have to just move on. You have to just move on. And the truth that.
You just have me foolish.
What you mean stop my foolishness? But that's tired, man. I'm tired of it. You make sure I call that person and ask them to come for me or come for me. Tired. Hello? You can have for me. Yeah, you can come for me now. Yeah. Alright then, now we're fine. Tired of it now, I'm tired. There is nothing to even talk back over because I'm done. I'm done. Honestly done. Done. So just move on, have a happy life.
No one talk over me.
There's nothing to talk over. You know what you do. There is nothing to talk over. Find time for me. You're not finding none of them time in this world for me. Everything is your friend this, your friend that. What about me? Eh? What about me?
Alright, now let's do it.
No, it done gone too late now. It gone too late now. Everything just get bad now. Because we don't love you no more. No. No, I don't love you no more.
No, I'm sure I look for this long time. I see that one I come in a long time. It was food. I see that one.
No, you never fooled. You was deeply in love. When I wasn't in love with you anymore.
So I would have been.
What you want to know that for? How that concern you? What you want to know that for?
Just see what you got the foot here.
Oh, you mean you're going to see how me left out here?
Let's see what you got the foot here.
Alright, when the taxi man come, you're going to see if you can stop me.
Grab the seat, over that. So war you want to run war in this bed. You know that? Yeah, just tell me about war. You see that man them chopping up. That me I tell them, but I don't come on my yard.
What man I come in your yard for? And him have a yard. Eh?
But I have a right to send. I do it to a taxi man, I don't go once.
What could have caused this?
Come talk about man. You me bring Leah, man.
I don't say my own. I don't say my own. You have to say something too small.
I play a play, bro.
Play with you for what?
Play a play.
Play with you for what? You never see it coming, though. You never see it
I
coming.
come talk about me not have enough time. Me have to have time for the things to come on for the door.
Every time, sir? Every time, sir?
You know, you think, you know, you just know what them virgin are, yeah? You're not front me here.
So what don't I wish virgin?
I'm a virgin.
What don't I wish virgin? I want to see you come out here. I want to see you come out here.
Well, this is. Look out for me, man. Look out for me.
It's a prank. It's a prank. Look, see camera there, look. Look, it's a prank. It's a prank. Look. Look that. It's a prank. It's a prank.
Oh, you know it's a bit that come a while ago.
It's a prank. It's a prank.
Oh, you know me that come. Never that come a nice.
See that? It's a prank. Look, people.
People emotion them.
You see reaction towards it, don't guys? It's for the face. It's a prank. It's a prank. Come here, baby. Come here. Go here. Guys, I got him. Come, babe. It's a prank.
Yo, you're not for ramping them way there, you know. You're not for do that.
It's a prank. So guys, please remember to like, share, subscribe to my video, and peace. I am out.